Ciao Tesla people, so I got another notification for a Tesla software update. That's the 2025.44.25.3. The one I installed a couple of days ago was that one. So it's still the holiday update. My guess is there are a whole bunch of bugs and improvements that they needed to fix, and so they released a new update. Here is the list. And it's pretty much the same list that I had on the 25.1, which has in 25.3. Maybe we'll check out if there are some undocumented changes and all that kind of stuff. So I'm going to download it and then go through the installation and all that stuff. Okay, so first download, then installation. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. So the download is finally done, so we can start the installation. And it's the 2025.44.25.3. Let's do that. Install, and then you tap here to just skip 2 minutes. Okay. So the release notes says pretty much the same as the previous holiday update, the 2025.44.25.1, but there are some addition that people discovered, so I'm going to check them out, and then as soon as this is done, we'll go over it. There are few, not that many. Most likely there are going to be bug fixes, improvements, all that stuff, because it was a big update, the holiday one. So we'll see how it goes. Okay, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in 3 seconds. So finally it's done. Took forever to install too. Now the release notes 2025.44.25.3 is basically the same as the previous one. Yeah. Let me check out very quickly if there is any difference. No, it looks like they are basically the same thing, at least officially, but from Tesla, not Tesla app site, I can find a couple of things that are different, so we'll go through those. Let me find it again, because I was looking for navigation improvement. Yeah, we've done that. The HOV lane is valid only for the US, not for Europe, for example. Even the supercharger site maps, it's available in the US, not phone left behind. Okay, this one is, I did a video. If you leave your phone and you get out of the car will chime you to alert you that you left the phone. I did a video, so you can check it out. It's my previous video, and it doesn't work that well, so you can check out that. Save charger limit location, we did that. Minor, okay, but there were a couple of things. Okay, car wash mode redesign, I mentioned that. Switch to Bluetooth. Oh, this one I think is one of those undocumented. If your phone is connected via Bluetooth and the vehicle detects that your phone is playing audio, it will now prompt you to switch over to the Bluetooth audio sources, so that the audio comes out of your vehicle speakers. So you can basically stream your audio from your phone via Bluetooth to your car. Interesting. There's one undocumented. This undocumented new visualization with Unreal Engine. These are for older Model S and Model X. Air suspension controls. Again, these are for Model S and Model X, so you can check it out if you have that model. There is an undocumented change, which is the boomerang full game removed. So they removed the game from pretty much all models. Favorite on maps is undocumented. Tesla has made several changes to favorites and homework in the update. However, this change has gone undocumented in the release notes. In addition to putting the homework icons into the navigate box and showing your top 2 suggestions underneath, Tesla is also pinning all your favorites home and work location directly on the map. Okay, this is interesting. Viewing dash cam storage, we did this. Basically, if you go to, let me go check, controls, safety, where is safety here? It'll show you how much data you have left on your data card, the card that you have for memory, USB stick. I have an NVMe drive, so I have 500 gig. Okay, this it says undocumented. Okay, then dashcam filters. So let's go to the dashcam. Let's check it out. Okay, dashcam filters. So you can filter the videos. So if you go here, you see you have different filters. Okay, aware, handle, pull, panic, and manual save, honk. Pretty cool. Saved and entry. Okay, very good. What else? And then sentry mode, service mode improvements. Airbag panel update, new disarm airbag and resistance check routines. Okay, this is another undocumented. Yeah, basically all this, some undocumented changes, some other new, but not that much. It took forever to download, it took forever to install. So if you're planning to install it soon, make sure that you have time to do it, okay, or do it overnight. Anyway, these are all the changes for 2025 44.25.3. Check out my Tesla referral. The link is in the description. Also, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share, comment, and I'll see you next video. Ciao, Tesla people.